Hi, I'm Victor, co-founder and engineer at Scaffcalc. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple building using the rectangle tool and add a roof to your structure. You'll also learn how to adjust dimensions, move buildings, and share your projects in 3D. The first thing I recommend is clicking on the Y-axis in the navigation icon, so that you get a top-down view. I find it easier to draw this way. Once we've done that, I click on the building icon in the toolbar at the top center. I select rectangle, then click and drag to create a rectangle on the drawing board. Once I've done that, I click on the selection tool in the toolbar and then click on my building. This brings up the properties for the building on the right side. Here I can adjust the height, length and width. When you enter a value, press enter to apply the changes. I will explain the use of wall thickness in a later video. Now I rotate the building so I can see how it looks. I'll add a roof to my building by clicking on the roof icon on the right. I select the type of roof, roof height, overhang, and the roof orientation. Don't forget to press enter after entering a value. Great! Now we have a building with a roof and I want to add another one. I click on rectangle again, hold down the mouse button and drag out a new building on the drawing board. I select the building, click on the roof icon and add a roof to this building as well. I now want to move the building so that it forms a single house. I click on the building and a navigation button appears. Here I can click and drag the different arrows to adjust the position of the building. I also want to raise this building slightly, so I adjust the height in the properties panel on the left and fine-tune the position. I'm very happy with my result and I check the list on the left. Here I can see my objects and I click on the arrow next to each row to expand the details of the building. This allows me to see both the building body and the roof. For example, I can choose to hide the roof by clicking on this eye icon. When I'm done, I make sure my project is saved. And when I'm happy with the project, I can choose to share it with others. I do this by pressing Escape at the top left of the keyboard. This brings up the right-hand menu, which I also select which folder the project should be saved in. At the bottom, you'll find project details, and if you choose to make the project public, you can copy a link and paste it into a new tab. This is how your shared projects will appear. If you use the link, you can, for example, send it to your client so they can view everything in 3D. In the next video, I'll show you how to generate a more complex building in under a minute. See you! Bye!